Hey there, garden enthusiast! Welcome to a journey into the enchanting world of Takendo gardening. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is Takendo gardening? Well, buckle up because we're diving into this beautiful blend of nature and mindfulness. First off, Takendo gardening is a Japanese-inspired approach that combines the principles of traditional gardening with the mindfulness of Zen practices. Imagine creating a space that's not just about growing plants, but also nurturing your soul. Sounds amazing, right? Let's start with the basics. In Takendo gardening, the focus is on creating harmony between you and your garden. This means choosing plants that not only thrive together, but also bring a sense of peace and balance to the space. Think of it as creating your own little slice of paradise. One key element is the use of natural materials. Forget about plastic pots and synthetic fertilizers. Instead, opt for clay pots, wooden trellises, and organic compost. These materials not only look great, but also help create a more sustainable and eco-friendly garden. Next, let's talk about plant selection. In Takendo gardening, less is more. Choose a few key plants that can flourish in harmony. Japanese maples, bamboo, and flowering cherries are perfect choices. They offer stunning visuals and a calming presence. Don't forget mosses and ground covers. They add a lush, serene feel to your garden. Now, onto the design. Takendo gardens often feature asymmetrical layouts, natural curves, and flowing lines. This helps create a more organic and relaxing environment. Use stones, gravel, and water features like small ponds or trickling fountains to add an element of tranquility. These components not only look beautiful, but also engage your senses, making your garden a true escape from everyday stress. But here's the real magic of Takendo gardening. It's not just about the end result. It's about the process. Spending time in your garden should be a meditative practice. Take a moment to breathe deeply, listen to the sounds of nature, and really connect with your plants. This mindfulness can transform gardening from a chore into a cherished ritual. So, how do you get started? Begin with a small area. You don't need a huge backyard to create a Takendo garden. A patio, balcony, or even a windowsill can be transformed into a peaceful haven. Start with a few plants, some natural materials, and a water feature. Then let your creativity and intuition guide you. Remember, the goal of Takendo gardening is not perfection. It's about creating a space that feels right for you. So let go of your stress, get your hands in the soil, and discover the joy of cultivating a garden that nurtures both plants and spirit. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me on this journey into Takendo gardening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!